Hello guys, welcome back to Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you uninstall the Google Chat into your device. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to uninstall the Google Chat application, you will get to see a bunch of options. First of all, you just simply have to tap into your chat application for a while and this uninstall button will directly appear. Now you just need to tap into the uninstall button and tap to OK, and your chat application will successfully be uninstalled in no time. Then after that, the other option here is to go over your Play Store and then search for Google Chat. And then after searching that, this Google Chat which is installed will appear into here. You just simply need to select that and then the uninstall button will appear. Now in order to uninstall, just simply tap to uninstall and tap to uninstall again in order to confirm. And after this, your Google Chat will successfully be uninstalled from your device. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.